Wait. Okay, start.
Today is Boxing Day.
What do you do on Boxing Day?
Pick up the present.
Where's your present?
Here
And there. Okay, you can take out your present now.
Okay.
This one is from who?
From Daddy.
沖涼嘞咧，而家佢睇嗰啲標啊，沖涼，搏真沖到身汗。整啊，沖啊。
Slowly.
Daddy,
Okay, open the rest.
Daddy, can you open?
Okay. Wow, it's an Audi TT.
It's mine.
Huh?
It's mine.
What color is the Audi?
White.
Huh?
White.
White color ah. Next time you buy Audi TT for daddy, okay?
Okay.
Wow, okay, show the Audi TT. Wow. Brian, look here. See your car. Wow.
Daddy,
Are you happy?
Daddy.
How do you show it when you're very happy? Is it your favorite car?
Yes.
Huh?
Daddy, tomorrow I saw somebody my Audi.
You want to show who your Audi?
Yes.
Show who?
My friend.
You want to show off to your friend ah?
Kayan and
Huh?
my.
Okay. What must you say?
Thank you, Daddy,
And
for the Audi.
yeah. Okay, jump. Yeah.
Yay!
Okay, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, I like Christmas.
Yeah, I like Christmas. I got that one.
Wow, so many. Okay. Now, okay. This one, open this one first.